Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another video. Today we've got the Sony WH-CH700N over-ear headphones. They're noise canceling and wireless, so they connect via Bluetooth. I will say that I have used these for about 2 weeks now. I've traveled with them, I've gone to the gym, and just used them pretty much on all my devices, and I can tell you right now that I have had so far a really good experience. So I kind of want to share some insight into the functionality of it, share my experience with these headphones for the past 2 weeks. So the first thing I'll get into is the battery life. The battery life is amazing. I've used it for a full day, the next day, and it still really doesn't even need to be charged, and then it'll tell you in your ear when it does get pretty low. So this is what you get in the box. You're going to get the headphones, you're going to get also an auxiliary jack just in case you need that, as well as the charging cable. Now what you don't get is the port that'll connect to the wall. So you can see here kind of the in-ear cushions there on the outer rim of these headphones. They're very comfortable. I've actually got them on right now, and you've got some buttons here. This one controls basically if you have music playing, can switch between songs, and you can also answer and end calls, as well as play and pause music and control the volume. Then you can head to your power, your charging port, and your auxiliary jack port. And to connect to Bluetooth, you're going to hold down the power button. I really like this gray color. They also came in black and blue even. I was thinking about getting blue. But if you wanted to check out different colors for these headphones, I'm going to leave a link. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Go ahead and check that out. It's available US, Canada, and the UK. Okay, so you're able to adjust them, and as you see there, you do have your extra cables. I just really like the look of these headphones. You know, they're not Beats and they're not JBLs, but they perform well and they look decent. You know, and the price is very different than those two that I just mentioned. So what you're paying for, the value, in my opinion, so far with the usage, and I've been able to go to the gym with it, run on the treadmill, and do some pretty intense stuff, traveling, going through airport security. They've really just done the job, and I really have gotten a lot of usage out of these headphones. So the one thing I really didn't like is that when you're listening to music, if you're listening kind of loud, whoever is around you can really hear it. So you really gotta kind of keep the volume low when you're around people or when it's really quiet, because you can easily hear whatever it is you're listening to. So aside from that, these headphones are great. I would highly recommend them to you. Again, check out that link. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.